Welcome to this session on processing profiles in Adobe Experience Manager as a cloud service. Processing profiles define how assets are processed after upload, such as generating renditions in different sizes or formats. They help automate and standardize asset delivery across digital channels, ensuring images and media are optimized for performance and quality. AEM as a cloud service supports multiple asset formats out of the box, including PNG, JPEG, GIF, and WebP. These formats can be configured in processing profiles to create renditions tailored for different use cases, such as responsive web design or mobile optimization. Here we see the interface for creating a processing profile to generate WebP renditions. WebP is a modern, efficient image format that offers smaller file sizes without compromising quality. In this example, several renditions are defined with different widths, ensuring responsive image delivery. Once a processing profile is created, it can be applied to one or more asset folders in AEM. When assets are uploaded into these folders, AEM automatically processes them according to the defined rules, generating all required renditions. We can also remove the profile from a folder which was applied already. To summarize, processing profiles in AEM as a cloud service enable organizations to automate asset rendition generation, use modern formats like WebP, and maintain consistency and optimization across asset folders.